Let's turn on the UPS output from the menu. You can see here that we do not have an output voltage and we do not have an output sine wave. We go to the menu and then we scroll up and down. Control, UPS, check. Turn on, no delay. Turn on by display. We see the UPS output sine wave. We see the UPS output voltage. And it goes through a self-test.